Ring lights provide even, shadow-free lighting, enhancing video quality, skin tones, and professionalism for creators in streaming, photography, and content production. My today's video is about top 5 best ring light for creators that are available in the market. If you want to know price, and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Neewer Professional LED Ring Light. This 18-inch LED ring light kit is a complete and practical solution for anyone looking to upgrade their lighting setup. With 240 LED bulbs delivering 55W power at 5600K, it produces bright, natural daylight that's perfect for video recording, live streaming, and photography. The dimming range from 1 to 100 gives excellent control, allowing you to fine-tune lighting for any environment. The kit is thoughtfully designed, including a sturdy 61-inch aluminum alloy stand, soft tube for flexible positioning, and both white and orange filters for different lighting tones. The stand feels stable when set correctly, though users should follow the instructions carefully to avoid imbalance. It also comes with a smartphone holder and cold shoe adapter, making it compatible with most phones and DSLR cameras. The included carrying bag adds portability, which is great for creators on the go. Overall, this kit offers great value, versatility, and performance, ideal for makeup artists, barbers, and content creators seeking professional quality lighting. Now our second product is Halluv Color Desk Ring Light. The Halluv 11-inch ring light is a solid choice for mobile content creators who want professional quality lighting in a compact setup. Equipped with 224 LEDs, it delivers bright yet soft illumination, closely mimicking natural daylight. With an impressive CRI of 98+, colors appear accurate and vibrant, perfect for makeup, streaming, or detailed video work. One of its standout features is the wide range of customization. With 40 lighting modes, 2700K to 6500K, you can easily switch between warm, neutral, and cool tones, along with multiple brightness levels. The touch controls are intuitive, and the memory function conveniently saves your last settings. The build is stable and desk-friendly, thanks to its sturdy base and adjustable height. The 360 degrees rotating phone holder adds flexibility for both vertical and horizontal shooting. However, it's important to follow the power requirement. Using a 5V/2A adapter is essential to avoid flickering or performance issues. Overall, it's a reliable, user-friendly ring light ideal for streaming, video calls, and social media content creation. Our third product is Evershop Ring Light with Stand for Desk. This 10-inch full-panel podcast light stands out as a powerful upgrade over traditional ring lights. With an impressive 1,300 lumens output, up to 2.8 times brighter than standard models, it delivers wide, shadow-free illumination that keeps both your face and background evenly lit. It's an excellent choice for podcasters, streamers, and content creators aiming for a clean, professional look. The side-lit technology with an upgraded guide panel produces noticeably softer and smoother lighting, reducing harsh shadows and eye strain during long sessions. With high color accuracy, CRI 98+, it ensures natural skin tones and true-to-life visuals, which is especially important for video recording and live streaming. You also get 30 lighting combinations, including multiple color temperatures and brightness levels, allowing full customization for different environments. The sturdy base and aluminum stand provide great stability, while the 360 degrees rotating phone holder adds flexibility for various shooting angles. Overall, it's a reliable, creator-focused lighting solution that combines brightness, comfort, and versatility in one sleek package. Now number 4, LitOne's Ring Light with Stand for Webcam. The LitOne's Desk Video Conference Light is a well-designed lighting solution for professionals and content creators seeking soft, natural illumination. Using advanced edge-lit technology, it delivers evenly distributed light that minimizes glare and reduces eye strain, perfect for long Zoom meetings, online classes, or live streaming. With a high CRI of 97.8, this light ensures accurate color rendering, making skin tones look natural and vibrant on camera. The adjustable settings are a big plus, offering 3 color temperatures, 3000K to 6500K, and 10 brightness levels to suit different environments, from work calls to content creation. The build quality is solid, featuring a sturdy metal base with a non-slip pad for stability and desk protection. Its adjustable height, 20.5 inch to 28.5, and 360 degrees rotating head allow flexible positioning for the best lighting angle.
Compact yet versatile, it also includes a rotating phone holder and USB power support.
Overall, it's a reliable, stylish, and practical lighting choice for home offices and creative setups. And our last choice is generic magnetic ring light with mirror for phones. This compact magnetic ring light is a smart, travel-friendly solution for anyone who needs quick, flattering lighting on the go. The universal magnetic attachment works seamlessly with compatible phones, and the included metal ring sticker ensures even non-magnetic devices can snap on, no bulky clips or awkward setup required. The built-in mirror is a standout feature, making it perfect for makeup touch-ups, selfies, or quick checks before video calls. The lighting itself is impressive, offering 3 color modes: warm, natural, and cool, that mimic real-world lighting conditions for more natural results. Touch controls are sleek and responsive, allowing you to cycle through 3 brightness levels and color settings with ease. Its compact 4.3-inch design fits easily into a pocket or bag, while USB-C charging provides convenience with a solid 4-hour runtime. Versatile and easy to use, this light doubles as a handheld fill light or mini desk companion, ideal for creators, travelers, and everyday users alike. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.